Hey there, folks. Today I'm going to show you how you can download any YouTube video and save it as a song to your device. I'm not sure if this works on iPhone, but I have a Samsung and I use Samsung Music and it works perfectly. I've had no problems with it. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to want to go to YouTube and search the song that you're looking for. So in this case, I did Don't Look Back by Boston. And you're going to want to choose a video that doesn't have a lot of other talking in it. So a music video probably isn't a good choice. So you're going to want to either look for a lyric video or the audio. So here's the video I want. Click the three dots to the side of the video, hit share, and then copy link. Then after you do that, you're going to go onto the internet and search YTMP3. This is a YouTube to MP3 converter, and it also works with MP4. As you can see down there, if you want to download a video from YouTube as a video, you can use MP4, but I just use MP3, which takes the audio, paste it in there, convert it, takes the audio from the video, and converts it into an MP3 file and downloads it to your device. So if you're using a phone that has like no storage, if you got a crappier Samsung or something else that doesn't have very much storage, this probably isn't the way to go. Ads pop up, but you just swipe to get rid of them. So then the song is downloading right there. So it's downloaded. I go back to my Samsung Music. It's at the top, and right now it just looks like it doesn't have any information. It just says Boston Don't Look Back HQ, which is the title of the video. But what I did is I downloaded an app called Atomatag, which you just click on, and then you click the song. It'll search for it, finds results. So it gives you the artist, gives you the genre, the year, the album art. You just click on it. And if for some reason you have a song and it can't find it, you can hit tap to manual edit and just enter the data, and then it might find it. Then you hit this check mark here, go back to Samsung Music, and there it is. Works like a charm. The more you do this, the easier it'll get, but yeah, that is the basics on how to basically listen to any song you want without having to pay for Spotify or Pandora. And I've been using this for as long as I can remember. I have, I think, upwards of 1,000 songs on my phone. So, yeah, if you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe. It'd mean a lot. Like the video. I don't really know many people that do this, but I think it's pretty neat. And I just taught one of my friends how to do it recently, and he really liked it. So, see you later, folks.